lot.
So Ben, I have to ask you, if you're not properly tax planning, how can that erode someone's retirement savings? Let's talk about that for a second.
It's tough. Part of the problem is that people really don't understand how their retirement accounts, how their Social Security, how these dividends, how everything is taxed.
Yeah.
And so when you don't understand that, you typically make mistakes. Another example, I've got a client of mine who I consider him a friend at this point. Unfortunately, he recently lost a family member.
Okay.
And he and his sister inherited a fair amount of money.
Okay.
And they said, look, we inherited this money from the IRA. We just want to take it all out, and we're just going to give it to our family, right? Because they wanted to give that money to their other family members, which I think is wonderful. And if I can help you do that, great. The problem is that it was about $400,000. They each got $200,000. Both siblings are still working, making considerable income, right? And so all of a sudden you take all of that money out, it propels their taxes up to a new tax bracket. They have to pay all the taxes on this money. And if their other siblings or their other family members are expecting an equal share of $200,000 or $400,000, they're not going to get it, right? They're going to get pushed up to the 32% tax bracket. They're going to give away $64,000 of that money in federal taxes, not including state taxes. So, but if we did it in a different way, if we did it in a way that we could keep them under a certain tax bracket, where we take this out over 3 or 4 years, or even we take just the minimum amount that we have to take, but we take more of it out after they've retired, all of a sudden, your family will keep more of this money.
Okay.
So it's common that people will fortunately erode what they have because they don't always understand. Now, lucky enough, we were able to have that conversation and head that off. And we can give you kind of a design of a plan and give you some options, and here's where it will save you money. So, helpful?
That's very important.